Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Gilles, Park 37. Today we will cook together a perfect duck breast. So we need a nice duck breast. This one is already trimmed. If you want, you can slice the skin a little bit. Just the skin only. Don't cut into the meat. A little bit crossed like that. With salt, pepper from the pepper mill. And then we put it in a hot pan. Don't need any oil, don't need any fat because we have already the fat from the skin. And then the important thing is we will cook it only on the skin side because we want the fat from the skin melt and get nice and crispy. Okay, now you can see there's already quite a bit of oil melting. We have already nice color. So we just turn it over for 30 seconds just to seal a bit the meat side. And then we put it back in the skin and then in the oven. You can see we are about 5 minutes to 5 and then we'll see how long it will take. Convection oven at 180 degrees. So now you can see we have about 7 minutes in the oven. So we take our duck breast. We just check, it should be already firm, but not too firm. So we should be nice medium rare. And then we take it out and resting. So you can see we have a nice crust here. And if you cook 7 minutes in the oven, so meaning you need to rest at least 7 minutes.